Hey everybody, Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. I hope you guys are doing a little better than me right now. I'm obviously in Illinois for some reason because I thought that would be a good idea. I would give anything, and I mean anything, to be whisked away in a magical land that doesn't rain, a beautiful beach. I give my soul. I would give my soul. You hear me? You hear me? What? We're at the beach. Hell yeah. I told you guys I will come back to Clinton, Illinois. Look at this room. Yeah, hey everybody, this room is called Paradise Peach here at Sunset Inn and Suites of Clinton, Illinois. Yeah, you remember when I stayed at the Star Wars themed room. It's like a beach. I love it. Like literally is a beach. And complete with air conditioning here and palm trees and our own little tiki bar. Yeah, every little detail, man. These rooms are so freaking cool. They even brought me a margarita. Nice. Outstanding service. This completes it. Now I know I'm in paradise and at the beach. Got our own hot tub jacuzzi here. Yeah. Look at all the tiki themes everywhere. It's a lounge area over there by that palm tree. Here's the bed. And again, the projector, I guess there's a projector. Let me just make sure. Yeah, projector up on the ceiling there. And then we've got this enormous walk-in shower room here. Look at this. That is incredible. It's all touchscreen. And it's got the ones that rain down from the ceiling there. Fancy, fancy. Jeez. Pretty cool room, right? Oh my gosh, I just needed a break, guys. I really needed to just find my beach. Got her. Got her. All right, we got the TV operating instructions here. Firmly press the power button and then the blue main button on the remote. So I don't know which way to aim it though. Put it that way. Power and then main. And then wait. Whoa! I guess there was a delay. There's our screen. That's cool. Probably got to turn off the overhead lights for the projector to work though. Let's go with cable. It's a projector screen, Eric. It's not over there. Cable. Cable? Oh, there's speakers in the ceiling. Ha! We got TV. All right, got the TV figured out, watching some 2.5 Men. Don't have the volume on right now, but I'm also filling up the hot tub. Well, it's not a hot tub, it's a jacuzzi with jets. So I put some bubbles in there, and we'll let that fill up and be set. Ah, it felt so good. Then I went and took a shower in here. It's only the second time I've used those overhead rainwater shower heads. They're pretty cool. Look what just came on, guys. Forrest Gump on Paramount here. Forrest Gump starting. Oh, I love it. I turned off some of the other lights in here just to change the mood a little bit. I think it's time for another margarita. What do you guys think? Oh yeah, I got the good fixins. Heck yeah. That's right, another day in paradise. That's exactly what it is. I love it. While I pour my margarita here, and noticing they also do have a Keurig right here for coffee tomorrow morning. Yeah, I'm probably doing this wrong and everything, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Cheers, guys. Actually, it tastes fantastic. A little bit better than a Bud Light. Also, it's fun to just take a closer look at things that I've missed, like the 32-inch TV here at the bar that I didn't even see at first. You know, these hanging lit up lights, you know, that look like something from Walt Disney World, the Star Wars land with the blue milk. We got another parrot right here drinking a margarita. Welcome to paradise, he's saying, you know? Just a lot of cool tiki themes. And they got several of these three-dimensional plexiglass, you know, scenes It's just really cool. The tiki bar life flotation device decoration there, you know? There's a crab in the net on the ceiling there. You know, lots of cool detail. Well, yeah, obviously. I love the attention to detail, that's all I'm saying. By the way, these palm trees, they're available on Amazon, actually. I know that because I looked. I want one. I love them. This is the 10-foot version. I think they're about $300 on Amazon, and they will ship you your very own indoor palm tree. Yeah. Also, you know, the whole overhead tiki roof there, I didn't notice with all those lights on, but now I can see all the strips of black lighting. Lots and lots, and that adds to the effect of the ceiling, which, look, there's a moon up there, and, you know, the stars are twinkling, and if we come around here with the sunset on the beach, you can see effects of the green lighting in there. It's just so much better once I actually started turning off lights in here. It's even cooler, you know? Going back to the bed, something I missed. You probably noticed it right away. It's in the shape of a boat. This is the bow of the boat right here, see? How cool is this? And these, you know, lights, this is something that you would see on a boat dock or near the boat pier. Yeah. And then you got the back, I think it's the stern of the boat back here with a little table, some outlets to charge your phone. Yeah. Then there's this guy, which is really cool. I might turn it off at night actually, but it's dripping water. So it's got a little pump in there. And then his mouth is the fire. The fake fire, you know, but just a really neat piece here in this room. I'm impressed. That's all I'm saying. I am really, really impressed. I am not going to edit any video. You only live once. It is thunderstorming and hailing outside, so let's go downstairs and see what the big pool and spa area looks like. We might have it all to ourselves again. Hey, wait a minute. They got some arcades in here. They got old school Pac-Man and Simpsons Pinball Party. That's very cool. I like it. But yeah, before I speak too soon, I'm gonna say, oh my gosh, guys, we got it. We got it all to ourselves. Of course, they're playing music in here, but look, falling water from the ceiling right there in the pool area. And then they got the spa, which is open for adults only right now. Awesome. I found the button. Oh yeah. All right, guys, it's 11 p.m. and checkout's 11 tomorrow. I want to get some good sleep and show you some more of this place in the morning. So I'm going to go ahead and crash. I'm only here for one night, and I'm without my kitties, which you guys know it's tough. As a pet lover, it is tough to be away even just for one night. They have plenty of food and water, and they got the automatic litter box. But I do want to get some sleep, so I'll go ahead and cut back in tomorrow. By the way, out of this whole room, my favorite part of this room is actually the kitchen. I think it is the best themed here in the kitchen area. Even though it's beautiful with the palm trees and everything else, this is still my favorite place to be. And it's a cool room. In the video description below, I will put some links to Sunset Inn and Suites. The best way to get one of these rooms, I got only one night, and I had to do it like 40 days out. The best way to do it is on their Facebook page, because any unfilled days, nights for this place, they will post on their Facebook page, and that's how you can get some spots, even though most of these rooms are like booked out 6 to 8 months. So I'm gonna get some sleep right here in my bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. I slept so good in this room, so good that I had to set an alarm to make sure I woke up on time. I know it's all bright again now, but I had it pitch black dark, like blackout dark for bed, and I slept good, except for the storms that roll through. There was a lot of thunder and lightning going on outside, and I hate to break the magic, but if you felt so inclined in one of these fantasy suites, there is a look at the outside world. It's right here. You pull this open, and then there it is. Just a normal looking hotel. There's Tater Tot. Normal looking hotel. It's also here, I'll just show you, even though again I think it breaks the magic, but outside it's just normal looking hotel. You would never know the magic that exists on the other side of that door unless you were in here. So I'm gonna head on downstairs to the lobby, check out the continental breakfast. All right, so some Honey Nut Cheerios, a packaged cinnamon roll, and some OJ. Something to get the day started. better than nothing, right? I think so. Oh, I also made some coffee on my Keurig here in the room. Oh yeah, okay. I can dig it. All right, I'm all packed up. I'm sad, I'm leaving, but I will be back and we'll check out another room next time I'm in Illinois. Gotta go check in on those kitties.